Hexagon just revealed AEON, a fully functional humanoid robot designed for real industrial work, and it's already making waves. Built in partnership with NVIDIA, AEON isn't just another lab demo. It can walk, see, manipulate objects, and even create digital twins of factory environments in real time. And yes, this changes everything. AEON might be the most practical and industry-ready humanoid robot we've seen to date. Forget about robots that dance or do backflips for show. This one is trained to do real tasks, like inspecting jet engines, assembling parts, and navigating busy industrial spaces without bumping into anything or anyone. AEON doesn't just look the part, it's designed to work the part. Unveiled at Hexagon Live Global 2025, this robot is Hexagon's answer to the growing need for smart automation in factories, warehouses, and high-precision industries. And it's not doing this alone. It's been built with deep integration of NVIDIA's AI stack, from training in virtual simulations to processing in real time using Jetson and Thor chips. Now here's where it gets really interesting. AEON was trained in a virtual world before it ever touched a factory floor. Thanks to NVIDIA Omniverse, Hexagon was able to simulate complex environments, assembly lines, inspection routines, even obstacle-rich warehouses, and teach AEON everything virtually. It learned to move, grip, see, and decide, all in the simulation. Once it mastered those tasks, that training was transferred into the physical world. That's like teaching someone to operate heavy machinery using only a video game, and then dropping them into the real world where they instantly perform like a pro. Wild, right? And it gets better. AEON isn't just wandering around reacting to stuff. It's actively building a 3D digital twin of everything around it. That's Hexagon's specialty, turning physical environments into data-rich digital models that engineers can use to analyze, improve, or even redesign entire systems. So when AEON walks through a factory, it's not just moving, it's scanning, mapping, and syncing everything to the cloud in real time. Oh, and let's talk about power. Most robots need to pause and recharge for hours. AEON? Not a problem. It's got a hot swappable battery system, so when it's low on power, you just pop in a fresh pack and it keeps working. That's a huge win for non-stop operations, especially in manufacturing environments where downtime costs money. And AEON is already in action. Companies like Schaeffler and Pilatus are piloting it for industrial tasks. We're talking inspections of high-precision components, equipment maintenance, and digital mapping, all done by a humanoid robot, not a team of technicians. This isn't a flashy prototype for media headlines. It's a deployed, field-tested robot doing real work. If you're enjoying this breakdown of AEON and where humanoid robotics is headed, go ahead and tap that like button. And if you want more cutting-edge AI and robotics stories like this one, make sure to subscribe. This channel's got you covered on everything moving fast in the world of intelligent machines. Now back to AEON. What really sets it apart from other humanoid robots? Let's compare. Boston Dynamics' Atlas is incredibly agile but still experimental. Tesla's Optimus looks promising, but is mostly in early-stage trials. Figure is making strong progress, especially in mobility and manipulation. But AEON? AEON is here with industrial integration on day one. It's designed for actual deployment, not just media demos. It's also deeply connected to the industrial AI ecosystem. That includes Microsoft Azure for data services, Maxon for precision actuators, and a host of advanced sensors like LiDAR, depth cameras, tactile sensors, and spatial awareness modules. This gives AEON a kind of sixth sense. It doesn't just see the world, it understands it. And thanks to NVIDIA Isaac, AEON has a real AI brain. It can make intelligent decisions, adapt to unexpected changes, and even coordinate with other machines and humans. Imagine a robot that doesn't just perform a task, but knows why it's doing it, how it fits into a bigger workflow, and what to do when something goes wrong. That's embodied AI in action. What's also refreshing is how AEON isn't trying to replace humans. Hexagon made it clear. AEON is a collaborator, not a competitor. It's there to help with repetitive, high-risk, or precision-heavy tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on higher-level problem-solving. And let's be real, no one wants to inspect tiny bolts under a jet engine for 8 hours straight. The implications here are huge. As industries face labor shortages, rising demand, and tighter precision requirements, AEON could fill that gap. Not by removing people, but by supporting them with smarter tools, more accurate data, and 24/7 operational capability. AEON also signals something bigger about the future of robotics. We're no longer in the era of mechanical movement. We're in the era of cognitive movement. Robots that not only move and act, but learn, adapt, and collaborate. That's the power of combining simulation-first training, cloud-based intelligence, and advanced hardware in a humanoid form. So what happens next? Hexagon plans to scale AEON's capabilities across industries, from automotive and aerospace to electronics and heavy manufacturing. And with support from NVIDIA's AI and simulation ecosystem, this robot isn't going to stay a niche product for long. It's part of a larger wave of intelligent, embodied machines set to change how we think about labor, design, and automation. AEON might not look flashy at first glance, but make no mistake, it's one of the most capable, thought-out humanoids we've seen yet. Built not for hype, but for impact. Let me know in the comments. Do you think AEON will set the standard for industrial humanoid robots? Or will the race heat up with competitors like Tesla and Figure catching up fast? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's next in AI and robotics. See you in the next one.